Okay, G1000, I'll just show you how to program the basic programming of your departments, your PLUs, and things like date and time. Okay, let's start with your departments. So you just turn your key to P2. Turn your key to P2, then it's going to show the set departments. You understand? Then using your enter key, your cache button, you press enter. Then it shows you the default departments. Then starting with department 1, then you press enter again. Right, then to show the details for department 1, then you press enter again so that you can be able to type in the name. So you press clear to take out the old name. Clear. Right, now I can type in the name of the department. For example, I can say groceries. So your alphabets are there on the numerics. On the numerics, if you make a typing error, you can press EC for your backspace, or you can clear everything and start again. So groceries. Groceries. Then you press enter to confirm. Right, on price, it depends. If you want a preset department, you can preset the price, but normally the department is going to remain at 0 because you've got different items which are going to fall under that department, which will be having different prices. So from there, you just scroll down using your page down button, and then you go down to save, and then you press enter. So your department 1 has been saved. Then it automatically jumps to department 2. Then you just do the same. Just enter, then you enter, and then you clear the old name. Then you can type in the new name. I can say drinks. Right. Then I say enter again, and then just go down to save, and then enter. So your departments are done. After you've done the departments, you press subtotal, your escape button to go back. Right, now we are creating our PLUs. Our PLUs are actual items. Right, so in order for you to program PLUs, you need to have a scanner. It's easier with a scanner because it's going to capture. It's easier with a scanner because it's going to capture your barcode automatically instead of typing the barcode manually. So it's easier with a scanner. So I scroll down to create new PLU, then I say enter, then it says code, then I scan the barcode of that item, just scanning on the lines of that barcode, and then the scanner will capture that barcode. Right, and then on name you have to press enter again in order to get the typing field. Then I can type in the name of the item. I can say test. Test. Then I say enter. Okay, let's go back to the name. Remember, on the name you have to be specific. You have to include, even if it has got different flavors like Mr. Min, lavender or potpourri, and even the size. So I can just say test space. This is lavender. Space again, then I need to put numbers. If you check there, it's on capital letters. Then I press my shift button, it's gonna go to small letters. Shift, it's gonna go to symbol. Just like those old cell phones, Nokia ones, where you need to change the input here. Then you can just press enter again, then you go to numbers. Then I can say this is 300 mils. Press a space, 300 mils. Press enter. Now it shows price, so that's your selling price. So let's say this is 30 rand, right? And then your cost price is actual price that you bought that item for. So that they say you bought it for 25 rand, so it means you're making a profit of 5 rand. And then your stock, how many do you have? You understand? But when you're initially programming, it's not advisable to put in stock there, because we'll test the machine, so your stock will be adjusted, so your stock won't balance. So I'll show you how to load stock on a later when we're done with the PLU. And then your safe stock is like your reorder level. So whenever you put a figure, so that when that figure reaches, the machine will warn you that you need to go and reorder, that stock is about to finish. So you can put any figure which is going to allow you time to go and restock that item. So let's say if it's below 24, the machine must warn me, right? Continue going down, then you say link department. And then remember we did departments, then you check under which department is this item going to fall. Let's say this item is going to fall under number 2, which is drinks, which I did on the departments. Then you can just press 2. Then from there, just go down to save. Then I press enter to save. So this item has been saved. So you continue again with the next item. You scan the barcode, you put in the name, you put in the price, you put in the cost price. You can leave the stock for now. You put in your safe stock, your reorder level, and then you link your department, then you save. Right, and you are done, you press escape. Right, and then for the stock, if you are done programming all your items, then you can actually count the physical quantities of each and every item. Then you go to increase and decrease stock. So you go down, increase and decrease stock, then you press enter. Right, and then it says code, so which means you'll have to scan that item. So that item will appear on the screen. So you show stock right now is 0. So how many do I want to increase with? I brought 48. Right, my cost price is 25 rand. Always there must be a cost price. Without a cost price, this machine won't be able to hold the stock quantities for you. So you won't be able to do your inventory. So there must be always a cost price there. Right, so after putting 48 and confirming the cost price, you press enter. So your stock will actually be increased by 48. Right, let's say you're about to run out of stock or you bring new stock. You do the same thing. You go to increase and decrease stock, then you enter, then you scan the item. You see, right now it shows me I've got 48, which we programmed earlier. So how many are you increasing with? Let's say this time you bring in 24. Right, and then is it still the same cost price? Yes. Then you just say enter. Enter to confirm. And then your stock will be increased by 24. So if I can check it again, it's going to show me my stock is 72 now. Right, so if you're done programming, you can just press escape, then you go back to register mode, then you can do your transactions. When the customer comes, he's buying this item, you can just scan the item, shows 30 rand. For example, let's say the customer wants 5 of those items. So what you need to do, you have to put in the quantity that the customer wants. For example, the customer wants 5 of them. Then you say times, you multiply, there is a times button, times, and then you scan the item. Right, then it is 5 times 30 rand, which is 150. And then I can say subtotal, so the customer owes you 180. Then the customer gives you 200, you press 200, then you press cash. Then the drawer opens, then you can take out the change and put the money inside, and then the slip comes out. So that's how basically you do a transaction. Thank you. I hope you understand. If you've got any problem, you just want NTS on 011 832 22.